Spiritual cleansing, where we will explore 5 simple habits for a clearer mind and refreshed spirit. Let's dive right into habit number 1. Practicing deep breathing exercises to release tension and bring calm. Imagine sitting on a beach, the sound of waves washing away your worries as you inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Moving on to habit number 2. Setting aside time each day for meditation or mindfulness techniques. Picture yourself sitting in a peaceful garden, observing your thoughts without judgment, letting them flow like a gentle breeze. Now, let's talk about habit number 3. Spending time in nature to reconnect with the earth's energy and find inner peace. Imagine walking barefoot on soft grass, feeling the grounding energy beneath your feet as you take in the beauty of nature. Moving along to habit number 4. Creating a gratitude journal to shift your focus from negativity to positivity. Imagine sitting at a cozy desk, writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day, and feeling a sense of joy fill your heart. Lastly, let's discuss habit number 5. Decluttering your physical space to create a sense of peace and clarity. Imagine tidying up your room, donating unnecessary items, and feeling a lightness in your surroundings as well as your mind. As we conclude this video, I encourage you to reflect on these habits and ask yourself, which one do you want to work on first? Remember, incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine can lead to a profound transformation in your spiritual well-being. Discover the power of spirituality and unlock your true potential. Click the link in bio